Hello students, welcome to the next video of differential equation. In today's video we are going to see how to form a differential equation. So we are going to see formation of a differential equation. So for formation, just remember the step. First we have to write down the given equation. Then in second step, differentiate it successively with respect to x that number of times equal to the arbitrary constant. In third step, eliminate the arbitrary constant results in differential equation. Okay, so first step is just write down the equation. Then second step, just count the number of arbitrary constant. Then third step is differentiate as many times as the number of arbitrary constant, and if in final differential equation arbitrary constant is there, then just eliminate that arbitrary constant, then you will get a proper differential equation. So let's start. So here is the example. First question is, form the differential equation whose solution is y is equal to ax square. So now let's start with step by step. So first we will write this equation. So I am writing here y is equal to ax square. Okay. In second step I will count the number of arbitrary constant. So y and x are variables. So arbitrary constant is a. So number of arbitrary constant is 1. Okay. So I have to differentiate this equation in one time. So I am differentiating this y with respect to x. So dy upon dx, that is equal to a as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x. So I am getting dy upon dx, this is dy upon dx as 2ax. Now this is not a final differential equation because here a is there. If a is occurring in the final differential equation, then we have to remove this arbitrary constant. So what I am going to do, I am going to substitute a from this equation. Now we know that since y is equal to ax square, that means a is equal to y upon x square, right? Now I am going to substitute this a value in this. So it will be dy upon dx is equal to, let me clear this side so that I can write here also. So this dy upon dx, this will be, this is equal to 2 into a, but a is y upon x square. So 2 into y upon x square into x. So 1x cancel. So finally dy upon dx is equal to 2y upon x. That means x dy upon dx is equal to 2y. This is the differential equation. Okay. So x dy upon dx is equal to 2y. This is the differential equation. So steps are clear. In first step, just write down the equation. Second step, count the number of arbitrary constant. Okay. In third step, differentiate the equation as many times as the number of arbitrary constant, and in fourth step eliminate the arbitrary constant from the final differential equation. Okay, now see next example. Here second example is form a differential equation if y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Okay, now y is given as a sin x plus b cos x. So first I am writing the equation. Now in second step, this y sin x, cos x. These are the variables. So this a and b are arbitrary constant. So number of arbitrary constant is 2. So I have to differentiate this equation in 2 times. Okay. So first we will differentiate this. So we'll get dy upon dx is equal to a constant, derivative of sin x, so cos x, plus b constant, derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So this is equal to a cos x minus b sin x. Okay, this is dy upon dx. Now again I will differentiate this. So again differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of this dy upon dx is d2y upon dx square, and that will be equal to, let me clear this side. So I am just keeping this derivative and remaining part I am just rubbing so that I can use this area. Okay. Now see, derivative of a cos x. So a will be as it is, then derivative of cos x is minus sin x, then minus b. Derivative of sin x, we know that derivative of sin x is cos x. Now I will take minus common. Okay, so it will be a sin x, then I am taking minus common. So here sign will be plus, so plus cos x. Okay, now a sin x plus b cos x, this is nothing but the y. So it is minus y. Okay, this whole term is y. So I am substituting this as y. So I am getting d2y upon dx square is equal to minus y. So finally my equation is d2y upon dx square plus y equal to 0. This is the required differential equation. Okay, so now steps are clear. Here there is only one arbitrary constant. In second equation we have two arbitrary constant, and that's why we are differentiated the second equation twice. Okay, and then we substituted this a sin x plus b cos x as y, and we get the differential equation. And as you can see in final differential equation, there is no arbitrary constant. So this is the final differential equation. Now next example, form the differential equation from the relation y is equal to a e raised to mx. Okay, now y is equal to a e raised to mx. So here a and m, two arbitrary constants are there. So we have to differentiate this equation twice. Okay, so first let differentiate this. So we will get dy upon dx is equal to a as it is, then derivative of e raised to mx is e raised to mx into m. Okay, so this is a m e raised to mx. Now again differentiating with respect to x. So d2y upon dx square, that is equal to a m as it is, derivative of e raised to mx is e raised to mx into m. So that is equal to a m square e raised to mx. Okay, so this is the second order derivative. Now the problem is here I am getting the arbitrary constant. Okay, now what I will do, I will do some adjustment. So see here, what I am doing, I am multiplying both the side. d2y upon dx square is a m square into e raised to mx. Now I am multiplying both the side by y. So I will get y d2y upon dx square is equal to y a m square into e raised to mx. Okay, now on right hand side I am writing this as y into y a e raised to, okay, a e raised to mx, because this term a e raised to mx, this term is nothing but the y, right? Y is, since y is equal to a e raised to mx, right? So in right hand side, writing for y, I am getting a e raised to mx. So in place of y, I am writing here in the I am writing in place of y as a m e raised to mx. So finally it will be a e raised to mx into a into m square into e raised to mx. So that means it is a square, right, m square e raised to mx whole square, right? So that means that term is a m e raised to mx whole square, okay, and this term is nothing but the dy upon dx. So that is equal to dy upon dx whole square, okay. So finally what I am getting? I am getting y into d2y upon dx square is equal to dy upon dx whole square. This is the required differential equation. Now let's see one more example. So here again y is equal to ax square plus h plus b is given. So again there are two arbitrary constants a and b. So first we will differentiate the equation with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx, derivative of ax square is 2ax, and derivative of b is 0. So derivative will be 2ax. Then again we will differentiate this with respect to x. So we get derivative of dy upon dx as d2y upon dx square, and derivative of 2ax. So 2a constant, derivative of x 1. So this is the second order derivative. Now to eliminate a, we will substitute for 2a. So now 2a, from this we get 2a is equal to 1 upon x, right, dy upon dx, okay. So we will substitute this, or you can substitute 2a in this equation, okay. So since dy upon dx is 2ax, now in place of 2a I am writing this part. So 2a is d2y upon dx square x, okay. So finally I am getting equation as x d2y upon dx square minus dy upon dx equal to 0. This is the differential equation, okay. After eliminating the arbitrary constant, I will get this differential equation, okay. So with this I am concluding this video. I hope formation of a differential equation is now clear to everyone. So thank you students.